Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in here I want to demo the last Codelor project. It is about calculator app or calculation app. Yeah, so in here there is many. As you can see, there is a square, rectangle, triangle, rhombus, parallelogram, circle, and trapeze. So let's try. We click the rectangle, and we will go to the square. We click the square. Okay. So we will go to the square. So we just calculate, and then it will show how many areas and circumference. So for example, I'll input the number 4 and then click, and then you just click the calculate button. Boom. And then it show area 16 and circumference 16. And then if we put around 9, it will be, boom, it will be show area 81 and circumference 81. And if we put 5, it will be show 25. Okay, we will go to the other one. So we will go to the other one, that is a triangle, the green one. And yeah, we need to put the input the base, input the height, input the sides. So we just put, for example, the base is 6, and then for the height is 8, and the side is 19. Yeah, and then we just calculate it, and boom, it will show the area is 24 and the circumference is 36 30 367. How about we change the other? Let's try 1 2 and 3. So like this, 1 2 and 3. Boom. So the area is 1 and the circumference is 10. And how about we try, so let's try like this, 99 and 96 34 and 11. So it will be, wow, the area is big, around 1632, and the circumference is 217. Okay, that's for triangle. Let's try, is it gonna be the last one maybe? So we'll try about, maybe we'll try about rhombus maybe. So let's try put some number here, and yeah, for example, 5, 9, and 1. And then that's the result, area 22.5 and circumference 4. So yeah, this is the calculator app, guys. So you can detect the area of rhombus, parallelogram, trapeze, and the other. Okay, maybe that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.